still the same? Will it make it easy on you now? You got someone to blame. You said one love, one life. It's one need in the night. One love, get to share it. Live in your darling. If you don't care.
Leave a bad taste in your mind.
In your mind.
You act like you never had love. And you want me to go without. Well, it's too late tonight to try to pass out into the light. We won't, but we're not the same. Carry each other.
Have you come here for forgiveness? Have you come to raise the dead? Have you come to blame Jesus? To the lepers in your head?
Well, love is too much more than life. You gave me nothing, now it's all I got. We won't, but we'll not the same. Will we have each other? Will we do it again? You say love is a tempo, love is a hanging love. Love is a tempo, love is a hanging love. You asked me to enter, when then you made me cry. And I can't be holding on to what you got. Now all you got is hurt. One love, one love, one love. You got to do what you should. One life with each other. Serious and
Уважаемо трио, когато трима души направят така, че да образуват обща енергия на сцената, грешките не бива да се споменават. Браво!
Ние с Дони писахме, обаче накрая явно сме стигнали до един и същи извод, че тогава, когато, задраскваме всичко, тогава, когато вие сте едно цяло, наистина няма какво да се коментира, така че браво на вас.
Абе, това оригинал е на YouTube, така ли? Аз вече не харесвам оригинала.
Нали?
На мене ми харесва начина, по който вие изпяхте песента. Аз повече не харесвам оригинала.